Okay, let us continue the class. Solve d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to x square plus sin x. So here there are two functions I have given. One is trigonometric function, one more is algebraic function. So here we can split it, that is particular integral 1, particular integral 2, you have to find it. Otherwise directly we can separate the division, we can do that. So first we have to find the complementary function. So as per that, if you substituting that d equal to m, you will get the auxiliary equation m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Then we will get the complementary function. That is very easy to find that. And then in the particular integral, we can see that, see 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 into x square plus sin x. So if you are keeping as it is, that we are not able to find that, therefore we have to split that into particular integral 1 and particular integral 2. So it is particular integral 1, it is particular integral 2, particular integral 2. Particular integral 2 is sin x. In the sin x means it is the format of sin mx. For the sin mx, m equal to 1. So in the denominator, m equal to plus 1. In the denominator, you have to substitute d square equal to minus 1. So if you are substituting d square equal to minus 1 here, minus 1 plus 3d plus 2. So you will get that 1 plus 3d. 1 plus 3d. And then you can come to that this point. Here x square is given. That x square is algebraic. X square is algebraic. Yes, okay, fine. What is the shortcut? You have to remember, take that constant term outside 2. So if you are taking the 2 outside, then it will be right in the format of 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 x square, and then we can write this term. Now you have to take it to the numerator. When this denominator take it to the numerator, you have to write that minus 1 here. So this term can be written as 1 by 2, 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 whole power minus 1 x square, 1 by 1 plus 3d sin x. So here also see that power is x square. Therefore we have to expand up to that d square, and then d power 4 d cube we can, no, don't need to consider, because that will be that 0. That will be just 0, so no need to consider. Once we expand this, then multiple that x square in 1, therefore 1 by 2 x square, d square by 2. What is d of x square? D of x square is 2x. What is d square of x square? That is 2. So in the place d square you can substitute 2. In the place of d you can substitute 2x. Wherever is there, then you have to substitute. Then here you know that the denominator for the trigonometric function, the denominator should be in the format of d square format, but here d is there. Therefore you have to multiple and divide with that 1 minus 3d. If you are divide and multiple with that 1 minus 3d, 1 minus 9d square, sorry, it is not 1 plus 1 minus 9d square, 1 minus 3d by 1 minus 9d square by sin x. Once again you have to substitute d square equal to minus 1, then 1 plus 9 is 10. But here in the numerator 1 is there na, then multiple with that sin x here. So 1 into sin x minus 3 into d of sin x. What is d of sin x? Cos x. So sin x minus 3 cos x is particular integral 2. What about particular integral 1? As I mentioned that substitute d square is 2, d is 2x. Then we, when you are summarizing that, simplifying that, you will get 1 minus 2 x square minus 3x plus 7 by 2, and then 1 by 10 sin x minus 3 cos x. Okay. That is the one more example. First case is exponential, second case is trigonometric, either sin mx or cos mx, third case is algebraic. In case both trigonometric and here already we have discussed about that. In case exponential plus trigonometric is there or plus algebraic is there, then we can segregate that particular integral 1, particular integral 2. In case if it is e power mx into sin mx is there, sin mx is there, at the time you are not able to write that particular integral 1 into particular integral 2. Many of them were done the mistake in the point. They are writing that particular integral 1, they are finding that particular integral 2, then they are multiplying that both. It is not correct. In case if it is the addition we can do that, if it is in the multiplication the rule is totally different. Okay, so next rule is type 4. In case f of x is e power ax into f of x, right hand side, what is capital F of x is the right hand side of the given second order ODE. In the second order ODE, non-homogeneous ODE, in case the right hand side is e power ax f of x, that f of x may be trigonometric or algebraic. It is not the problem. That f of x may be trigonometric or algebraic. Here you see that f of x may be algebraic or trigonometric. Whether when it is that multiply with that exponential, then this is the formula. Then how to find that particular integral? You can see that here. Wherever the d is there, you write that e power ax in front, e power ax here. Then you change that in the denominator, d tends to d plus a. D tends to d plus a. Okay, so otherwise this can be written as 1 by e power ax. The same thing we can write that e power ax 1 by pi of d, 1 by pi of d, where d tends to d plus a, d plus a. So here what is a? This a is not based on the trigonometric or algebraic. This a is based on exponential. Whatever that coefficient is here, e power a, this is the value. It is not based on f of x. Okay, what is f of x here? Trigonometric or algebraic. You know how to solve the trigonometric and algebraic. After that we can easily do that. Only you have to pre-multiply with that e power ax. That's all. The remaining forms are same. That means the remaining procedure are same. Once you substitute that d tends to d plus a, then e power ax part is over. Then afterwards you have to apply that f of x in this denominator. So we can see the problem based on this. In case the problem is d square plus d plus 1 into y equal to x square into e power minus x, then we can find the complementary function as it is by using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. We can use that. We can find the roots, then we can find the complementary function for this. But in the particular integral, in case x square plus e power minus x is there, we can do that particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. So here x square and e power minus x is there in the multiplication, that is exponential and algebraic is there. Then how to do that? Then you can see that particular integral equal to 1 by pi of d f of x, 1 by pi of d f of x, that is equal to 1 by d square plus d plus 1 x square e power minus x. As I told that e power minus x, we can take it here. And then what is a here? A equal to minus 1. That means you have to substitute d tends to d minus 1 in the denominator. You can see here you are writing that e power minus x here, and then in the denominator d tends to d minus 1, and then this d tends to d minus 1. Now you have to extend. When you are extending that d square minus 2d plus 1 plus d minus 1 So this minus 1, sorry, this minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, and then minus 2d plus d is that minus 2d plus 1. Now what we'll do, we can take it that 1 outside. So this can be written as 1 outside mean very simple. That means 1 plus d square minus d into x square. 1 plus d square minus d, that is you are writing that 1 plus x format. So d square minus d is that x, but that here power 2 is there. Therefore we can extend up to that 1 minus d plus d square into x square. We have to extend that now. We have to extend, in case the d cube d power 4 is there, we have to omit it. So here we can see that d power 4 d cube we can omit. Then only remaining things are there. We have to multiply with that x square inside. You apply that x square inside. When you apply that x square inside, then you will get that what is x square, d square of x square, d of x square is 2x. We know that d of x square is 2x. D square of x square is 2. So wherever the d square is there, substitute 2, d is the 2x. So substituting that, you will get the answer e power minus x, x square plus 2x. Similar problem is there, but it is in the third order. Third order is not in your syllabus, therefore we can leave it. But that method is there. Even for the d cube also, they are following the same thing. Afterwards, wait 10 minutes there. It's type 5. Type 5 is the very lengthy one. You can see in the next class. Just wait. Don't leave the class. I need to take the attendance. Your attendance, Ajita,
Yes, sir.
Akshaya,
Yes, yes, sir.
Bhargavi,
Present, sir.
Kavin,
Sir, present, sir.
Dinesh sir, Mala,
Present, sir.
Jagpola Kalinjar,
Present, sir.
Lakshmi, Lakshmi absent. Participants list la பாருங்க. Madhumita R,
Present, sir.
Monisha,
Yes, sir.
Narmada,
Present, sir.
Padmapriya,
Present, sir.
Puvidi, Puvidi, Puvidi இருக்காங்களா பாருங்க. ரம்யா, ரம்யா absent.
Present, sir.
யாரு?
Sir, present, sir.
பூவிழியா, ரம்யா பிரசன்ட். இன்னொரு பிரசன்ட் கேட்டது யாரு? பூவிழியா?
Fully present, sir.
ரேணுகா டி,
Present, sir.
ரேணுகா தேவி எம்,
Present, sir.
ராகவி,
Present, sir.
ஷீலோ சரண், சிவப்பா,
Present, sir.
ஆ விஜய், விஜய், யுவஸ்ரீ,
Present, sir.
ஆர் யுவஸ்ரீ,
Present, sir.
விஷால்,
Present, sir.
விஜய் இருக்காப்லையா பாரு. மகாலட்சுமி,
Yes, sir.
இல்லையா?
Present, sir.
ஆ மதுமிதா குமாரி,
Sir, present,
Mahalakshmi,
sir.
present, sir.
மகாலட்சுமி பிரசன்ட், மதுமிதா குமாரி பிரசண்டா,
Yes, sir.
பத்மஸ்ரீ,
Present, sir.
திவ்யதர்ஷினி,
Padmashri, present, sir.
திவ்யதர்ஷினி,
Present, sir.
திவ்யா திரிபாதி, சுவைதீதா இருக்க.
Yes, sir.
Present, ma'am. Present, sir.
சரி. இப்போ இன்கேஸ் நாளைக்கு வரதா இருந்தால் கொஞ்சம் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிவிட்டு என்கிட்ட இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிவிட்டு வாங்க. தேவையானதெல்லாம் எடுத்துன்னு வாங்க. இன்கேஸ் நீங்கள் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் கூட கொஞ்சம் மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்கள், என்னென்ன டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் எடுத்துன்னு வரணும்னு. யாராவது ஏற்கனவே வந்திருந்தீங்கன்னா டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் என்னென்ன வேணுன்றத ஒரு முறைக்கு 2 முறை சரி பார்த்துக்கின்னு எடுத்துன்னு வாங்க. திரும்ப இங்கே வந்துட்டு இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு திரும்ப போயிடாதீங்க. ஓகேங்களா? வரது ஒரு டைம் தான் வரீங்க, அதனால் ப்ராப்பராக எல்லா டாக்குமெண்ட்டும் இருந்தால் மட்டும் வாங்க, இல்லைன்னா வராதிங்க. ஓகேங்களா? வந்தீங்கன்னா வேலையை முடிச்சுட்டு போங்க. ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் வரும்போது நீங்கள் மொபைலில் கூட இங்கே வந்து கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? இன்கேஸ் வந்தீங்கன்னா என்னை பார்த்துட்டு போங்க, பார்க்காம போகாதீங்க எந்த ஒர்க்காக இருந்தாலும். என்னோட ரூம் நம்பர் வந்து UB 517, யூனிவர்சிட்டி பில்டிங் 517 இருப்பேன் நான். நோட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Sir,
அவ்வளோதான்.
நாளைக்கு first 2 hours off தானே sir?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 hours மோகனசெல்வி மேடம் எடுப்பாங்க. மத்தியானம் தான் லீவ்.
ஓ,
மத்தியானம் தான்
okay.
இல்லை.
அப்பனா காலேஜ் வர மாதிரி இருந்தா after 1 வரலாமா sir?
நீங்கள் வரலாங்க, ஆனால் காலையிலேயே கூட வரலாமே. மொபைலில் தானே அட்டன் பண்ண போகிறீங்க.
ஆமா sir.
அப்புறம் என்ன,
அங்க வந்து அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு சொல்றீங்க.
தாராளமாக
Okay
வந்து
sir, okay.
அட்டன் பண்ணுங்க, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அதனால ஒன்றும் இல்லை.
Okay sir.
சரிங்களா?
Okay sir. Okay sir.
வந்தீங்கன்னா என்னை வந்து பார்த்துட்டு போங்க. சரிங்களா?
Okay sir.
வேற ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா?
Okay sir. இல்ல sir, இல்ல sir.
சரி, ஓகேம்மா. தேங்க்யூம்மா.
Thank you sir.
See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Already, thank you.
Thank you, sir.